Writing equations using direct variation. Our equation will come into the form of y equals mx, where m is y over x, which is a constant rate of change or the slope. Barney earns $24.75 in 3 hours. If the amount of money Barney earns varies directly with the number of hours, how much would he earn in 20 hours? I'm going to let x represent the number of hours that Barney works, and y represent the total amount that he earns. I know that the number of hours is x and that the total earned is y because the total earned depends on the amount of numbers that he works, and your y is always your dependent and x is always independent variables. So I'm going to take the information from here and I'm going to plug it into this form, determine what is my constant rate of change, and then apply it to the 20. So the very first thing is I want to figure out what is my constant. So I'm going to divide my y, or my total earned, by the amount of hours that he works. $24.75 divided into 3 hours. So 4 goes into 23 8 times. I think I said 4. I meant 3. 3 goes into 24 8 times. Then 3 goes into 7 2 times. That leaves us with 1 left over. And 3 goes into 15 5 times. That makes it $8.25 per hour. So because this is our constant, I'm going to substitute it over here within my little equation. And then I'm going to take out the m and I'm going to put in $8.75. So y is $8.75 times the number of hours. So the total amount earned is $8.75 times the number of hours. Well, remember, he says that he works for 20 hours. So I'm going to substitute the x for 20. So y is $8.75 times 20. When you multiply decimals, remember that you need to take those decimals out and put them back in at the end. So you go 1, 2. That means that my answer has to have 2 decimal places in it. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. I am done with this 0. Because I'm done with this 0 and I'm moving over to my tens place, I need to put a 0 in the ones place because I'm no longer dealing with any ones units. 2 times 5 is 10, carry a 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15, carry a 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So that's 0, 0, 5, 7, 1. Remember, we need 2 decimal places, so we start on the right, and we go 1, 2. So for 20 hours, Barney will earn $175. And that's how you use direct variation to create an equation and to apply it to a given number.